Okay, let's see if people are joining in. If more people join in, then we can start with a live session. Okay, we'll wait for a few more minutes. Let's see. So let's just start. Okay. Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Prajakta from Nightingales, the Home Health Specialist, Mumbai. I know in this lockdown period, it is really getting difficult for physios to reach you physically. But here we are with the concept of teleconsultation, video teleconsultation, which means that we will be assessing you through the videos and also guiding you with the exercises through video sessions. That means like staying connected by maintaining social distancing. Okay, so you can connect us on our toll-free number, that is 1800-103-4530. I'll repeat it again. It is 1800-103-4530. Alright. More people are joining in. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay. And Nightingales have come up with the initiative like Healthy at Home with Nightingales. Here we are with another FB live session. So today our session is going to be about ergonomics. So ergonomics is nothing but poor body positions. So what are poor body positions? Poor body positions are nothing which cause posture related pain. Now posture related pain is nothing but your neck pain, back pain, even your shoulder and wrist can be related to your posture. So I'll give you an example. If your neck pain persists for a long time, it may result into cervical swan, or maybe even your back pain can result into lumbar swan. So that is because you happen to ignore your posture at times. So in this lockdown period, all of you people must be working from home and doing even household work. So at this time you almost ignore your posture. So you tend to be in a faulty postures. So I'll show you some faulty posture, like if you're working on your computer or on your system and you're working on a keyboard and mouse and you're just typing something and you're literally engrossed in your work and you just stare at the screen, your head is in a forward position, even your shoulder is drooped and you just like shoulder is in forward position and you just stare at the screen and work. That's one of the faulty posture most of the people think. And the next one is like if you're sitting on the bed, you keep a pillow, you keep your laptop on the pillow and work. Even this is not a good posture. Okay. Next is like if you want to work in a very chill out position, so you'll keep your legs on the table. So you'll keep it like this. Keep the laptop on your tummy and then work. Even this is not a good position. So without wasting time, just let's head on to our exercises. So I'll speak in Marathi as well as in English, so don't worry. So our exercises are divided into 2 sets. The first set is in sitting position and the next set is in standing position. So आपण पहिल्या सेट कडे एक्सरसाइजेस कडे वळूया. सो पहिली सेट आपण चेअर वरतीच करणार आहोत. सगळे पहिले एक्सरसाइज आपले चेअर वरतीच होणार आहेत सगळे एक्सरसाइजेस. ओके. So let's see if comments are coming. Okay. So the first set of exercise. We'll start with our neck. आपण पहिले मानेचे एक्सरसाइजेस करणार आहोत. सो मानेच्या एक्सरसाइजेस साठी इट इज लाईक येस, नो, ओके. These are the exercises. So yes exercise is like you have to look down and up. Okay, so I'll go little behind so that you'll be able to see. Okay, great. I hope I am audible enough. Okay, let's start. The first exercise is you have to look down and up. Let's do it thrice. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next exercise is no exercise. So you have to rotate your neck towards your right and your left. Okay, so let's rotate. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next exercise is you have to bend. So it's like, okay, so you have to bend your neck sideways. Okay, remember while doing so keep your chin in a neutral position. Okay, so you don't have to look down, you have to look straight, stare at one point and just bend it sideways. So what you have to do is फक्त neck ला खाली sideways नी तुम्हाला bend करायची. So 1, 2, 3. रिमेंबर हे सगळे एक्सरसाइजेस करताना तुम्हाला पेन नाही झालं पाहिजे. इट शुड बी पेन फ्री. ऑल युअर एक्सरसाइजेस शुड बी पेन फ्री. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज chin tucks. I hope you all understood the exercises. Okay, so next is chin tuck. So what you have to do, I'll show it in sideways so it will be visible for you. So what you have to do is you just have to take your chin, you have to pull your chin backwards, so you're as if you're forming a double chin. Okay, so what you have to do, just retract it backwards and look straight. So retract it backwards, look straight. Avoid looking down or up, just stare at one point, so look straight. Okay, so retract it backwards. Good. 2, 3. Great. Now we are done with all our neck exercises. Let's move to our shoulder. So this muscle is like, this is called as a traps muscle. This is the most stressed muscle and most painful muscle in every other individual. So first we'll just relax this muscle. So what you have to do is keep your hands hanging at the side of the chair. Okay, so as you hang your hands at the side of the chair, your neck should be relaxed. You lift your shoulder up and down. So lift it up and down. So what you have to do is lift it up and down. Remember, don't do this. Okay, you just have to take your shoulder up and down. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Great. Okay, now let's move to the other exercise. So now the exercise, you hold your hands in this way. So in this position, bend your elbows, keep it on your shoulder. Now you have to rotate your arms in circular motion. So first take it forward, then up, back, round, straight. So let's do it. So round, 1, 2. While doing so, you'll feel that your shoulder blades are coming close and going away. You should feel this motion of your shoulder blades. Shoulder blades are like wing muscles which you say. So do it once again. Great. This is great for this posture. Okay, so you tend to pull your chest. Okay, so next is you have to do this in anti-clockwise direction. So 1, 2, 3. Great. Now we'll do some of these stretches. I hope you're understanding all the exercises. If you're not, you kindly put a comment so that I'll try to explain you more clearly. Next, you have to do some stretches now. So for stretches, what you have to do is First we'll stretch this muscle, that is traps muscle. So trapezius muscle we are going to stretch. For this, the side which you want to stretch, keep that hand behind your back. If not possible, then you can hold your chair like this. Okay, try to hold it like this. Okay, hold it tightly and then just bend your neck sideways. Okay, so try to bend it sideways and with the other hand support your head. Okay, give mild pressure. This hand is only for the pressure. The pressure should be mild. You shouldn't feel any pain while doing so. The stretch shouldn't be painful. Fine. So let's just stretch. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Do it for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. We'll repeat it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. परत एकदा आपण त्या साइडला करायचं आहे. सो पुल करा तुमची नेक आणि तिथे ना माइल्ड प्रेशर द्यायचं आहे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We'll do stretches only twice. Usually you have to do it thrice. Okay. And even all the exercises you have to do it 10 times. As you are at home, you can manage to do it 10 times. Okay. So next stretch will go. So this stretch is for your shoulder muscle. So you'll feel a stretch over here. Okay. So what you have to do, keep your hand on the opposite shoulder. With the other hand, you have to push your elbow behind. So as you push, as soon as you get stretched, stay there for 10 seconds. So what you have to do is just push it behind. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now next, with the other hand, the same way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now we'll do it once again. We have to do it twice. Chalo, do it once again. परत एकदा करूया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's move to other stretches. So the now next stretch is you have to lock your fingers like this, keep it behind your head, and you just have to pull your elbows behind. Remember, don't push your head on the hands. Okay, you just have to pull the elbows behind. So pull it. फक्त elbows आपल्याला पाठी घेऊन जायचे. ओके, तुम्हाला शोल्डर बेड्सला म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे स्ट्रेच फील होणार. ठीक आहे. सो नेक्स्ट तुम्हाला फक्त शोल्डर्स असे घेऊन एल्बोज पाठी घेऊन जायचे. सो स्टे देअर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Keep it down. Once again we'll go in the same position. परत एकदा तसंच करूया. एल्बोज पाठी घेऊन जायचे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now आपला नेक्स्ट स्ट्रेच आहे. आता जसे तुम्ही आळस देतात तसाच हा स्ट्रेच आहे. When you feel sluggish, you take your hands up, stretch it. In that way only you have to do it stretch. हा स्ट्रेच तुमच्या अप्पर बॅक साठी असणार आहे. दिस या अप्पर बॅक साठी तो स्ट्रेच असणार आहे. So stretch your hands, take it up, pull yourself up. So वरती ओढा स्वतःला आणि रिमेंबर युअर हँड शुड बी बिहाइंड युअर इयर. तुमचे हात तुमच्या कानाच्या पाठी असले पाहिजे. वरती पुल करायचं आणि तिथे 10 सेकंद थांबायचं. Then get it down. Okay. Again we'll do it in the same way. परत hands ला stretch your hands, take it up, pull yourself up. Remember, take your hands behind your ears. Okay, let's count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we are done with our shoulder exercises. Let's move to our elbow. Okay. So basically when you sit on your computer or on your laptop, you tend to keep this position static for long hours. Okay. So this is very simple exercise. What you have to do is just bend your elbow, then straighten it. Just bend your elbow and straighten it. Let's do it one more time. 3. Just one last time. Okay, very good. Now most of the people have wrist pain as well because you hold your mouse in this way and there is no support for your wrist. Okay, so you tend to get wrist pain also. So what you have to do is, and these exercises can be done every 2 hours or maybe every 3 hours or thrice in a day or twice in a day. Okay. When you are in the office, you have to do it every 2 hours, remember. So what you have to do is just close your fingers, hold your wrist in this position and rotate it. So first we'll rotate it inwards, okay? So inwards. 1, 2, 3, okay? Next, you have to rotate it outwards, okay? So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you have to close your fingers, open your fingers. This is very simple exercise. You can do it any time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now let's move to the next wrist exercise, which means you have to bend your wrist downwards and then show a stop sign. Okay. So bend it down, show a stop sign. One more time. One last time. Very good. Okay. Now we'll move to our trunk, spine. आपण आपल्या मणक्यासाठी आता एक्सरसाइजेस बघणार आहोत. ज्यांना खूप वेळा खूप टाइम साठी ते लोक चेअर वरती बसतात, त्यांना काही बॅक सपोर्ट नसतो, अशा वेळेला बॅक पेन होण्याचे चान्सेस खूप असतात. त्यासाठी ही एक्सरसाइजेस असतात. सो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आपल्याला खाली बेंड करायचं आहे. So for that what you have to do is pull your tummy in. Okay, so you have to pull your tummy in. पोटाला आत खेचा आणि खाली bend व्हा. I'll show it. I'll just go behind. Okay, so pull your tummy in and bend down. खाली वाका आणि try to touch the floor with your hands. Okay, जमिनीला टेकायचा प्रयत्न करा तुमच्या हाताला. आता stay there for 10 seconds. And come up. Okay, you'll feel a good stretch in your spine. तुम्हाला spine ला किंवा मणक्याला खूप चांगला stretch मिळेल. पण ह्याच्यासाठी take your tummy in, go down, stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now next exercise, you have to turn. So as if someone is calling you from behind, how you turn in that way the exercise should be done. So तुम्हाला कोणीतरी पाठवून बोलवते आणि तुम्ही बसलात तर तुम्ही कसे वळणार, असे वळणार, राईट? सो तशीच ती एक्सरसाइज आहे. You have to turn behind, look behind, stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now to the other side. This is also one form of stretch. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. We'll do it once again. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now let's turn to the other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Good. Now we are done with our trunk exercises, trunk stretches in sitting position. Now let's move to a lower part of the body. आता पायांसाठी एक्सरसाइजेस असणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज असणार आहे तुम्ही सिटिंग मध्ये कसं मार्चिंग करतात तसं. इन सिटिंग यू हॅव टू डू मार्चिंग. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हॅव टू डू इज जस्ट लिफ्ट युअर लेग अप. I hope you're able to see it. So you have to lift your leg up. Okay. 1 2 3. Very good. Now next exercise is for your knees. So what you have to do is just lift your leg up as if your toes are pointing the ceiling. तुमच्या toes नी ceiling ला point केलं पाहिजे. Remember, तुम्ही स्वतः सीट म्हणजे चेअरवर बसलेलाच पाहिजे. Your buttocks shouldn't be off the chair. Okay, so what you have to do, just from your knee, straighten your leg up. Okay, good. Let's do it. 2 3. Very good. Okay, now the next exercise is for your ankles, because this is very good exercise. Actually you feel very relaxed after this exercise. It also pumps the blood supply in your calf muscles. So ही पोटऱ्यांसाठी खूप चांगली एक्सरसाइज आहे. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, just take your legs little bit up and just do this. Okay, you have to pull your ankles up and down. Okay, I'll just shift behind. So pull your ankles up and down. Very good. 1 2 3. Very nice. Okay, we are done with sitting set of exercises. So all our chair exercises are done. I hope they are very simple and you can do it. Okay, so now let's move on to standing set of exercises. See if any comments. Okay, great. So in standing, the first exercises you just have to march. तुम्हाला फक्त standing position मध्ये march करायचंय. So 1 this way, 2 3. Very nice. Okay, next exercise is back stretch द्यायचं. त्याच्यामध्ये with both your hands तुम्हाला तुमच्या low back ला support करायचं. In this way you have to support your low back. Okay, and what you have to do is lean back. तुम्हाला पाठी जायचंय आणि पाठी जाता जाता ceiling ला बघायचंय. Remember, do this stretch as much as possible or as much as bearable for you. Okay, keep your feet apart. दोन्ही पायांमध्ये अंतर ठेवा. हात लो बॅकला सपोर्ट करणार आणि तुम्ही पाठी जाणार. ओके, स्टे देअर फॉर 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Okay, so let's do it once again. Hold here, support here. Just lean back, patiza. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. Now next exercises आपल्याला side lunges करायचे. I'll explain you how you do it. So feet apart, दोन्ही पायांमध्ये अंतर आणि तुम्ही ज्या साईडला जाणार त्या साईडचा पाय तुम्ही बेंड करणार आणि दुसरा पाय स्ट्रेट राहणार. आय विल एक्सप्लेन यू. सी विच एव्हर साईड यू आर गोइंग, दॅट लेग we will be bending and the other leg will be straight. So you just have to go sideways. Okay, so let's do it. 1, very good. Just bend the leg. 2, keep the other leg straight. Nice. Okay. 3. You can take wall support also while doing this exercises, so you can keep your hand on the wall and just do this. Okay. Okay, great. Now we'll move on to our wall support exercises where you need a supportive wall. So what you have to do is take supportive wall and you have to bend your knee backwards. Okay. So lift. तुम्हाला तुमचा पाय असा बेंड करायचा पाठच्या साईडला. ठीक आहे. रिमेंबर सपोर्ट घ्या, वॉलचा सपोर्ट घ्या. तुम्हाला विदाउट सपोर्ट नाही करता येणार असेल तर. सो बेंड 1, गुड. परत 2दा करायचं, अजून 2, 3. ओके, दॅट्स गुड. नेक्स्ट आपण परत एकदा वॉलचा सपोर्ट घेणार आहोत आणि आपण काफला स्ट्रेच देणार आहोत, तुमच्या पोठऱ्यांना स्ट्रेच देणार आहोत. त्यासाठी एक पाय पुढे राहणार, तसाच एक पाय मागे. सो जसं तुम्ही साईड लंचेस मध्ये केला तसंच तुम्हाला असं करायचंय. पुढचा पाय बेंड करायचा आणि मागचा पाय स्ट्रेट ठेवायचा. सो कीप द लेग विच इज बिहाइंड शुड बी स्ट्रेट. Okay, you will feel the stretch in the leg which is behind. Okay, this leg is just for your support. You have to act as if you are pushing the wall. Okay, so तुम्ही जसे वॉल पुश करतात तसंच तुम्हाला करायचंय. पुढचा पाय बेंड करायचा. जसा तुम्हाला इथे स्ट्रेच मिळाला, here if you get the stretch over here, stay there. Okay, so stay there for 10 seconds. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very. Now next, the other leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, while doing so, you shouldn't keep your heels off the floor. Heels should be on the floor. So heels तुमचे जमिनीवरतीच असले पाहिजे. हीलला नाही उचलायचं, टाचेला नाही उचलायचं. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो विथ द वॉल सपोर्ट. सो व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू इज लीन ऑन दी वॉल. सो तुमची बॅक सपोर्ट असली पाहिजे, बॅक सपोर्ट असला पाहिजे वॉलला. ओके. कीप युअर फीट अपार्ट. दोन्ही पायांमध्ये अंतर ठेवा. दोन्ही पायांमध्ये अंतर ठेवा. And just squat. Okay, you have to just go down. Okay, एवढंच जायचंय, ह्याच्याहून जास्ती नाही जायचंय. युजली आपण डीप स्क्वॉट्स नाही करत सध्या, आपण फक्त हाफ स्क्वॉट करणार आहोत. ओके. इफ यू हॅव एनी काइंड ऑफ पेन इन डुईंग सो, डोंट वरी, यू कॅन रीच आउट टू अस ऑन आवर टोल फ्री नंबर. ओके. सो लेट्स गो डाउन. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay. Next, we'll do a side stretch. That's the last exercise. So we'll do a side stretch for your spine. So for your this muscles, we'll do a side stretch. For that, what you have to do is put your hands, one hand on the waist and the other hand you have to keep it in this way. And you have to bend sideways. Remember, तुम्हाला पुढे नाही वाकायचंय, तुम्हाला साईडला वाकायचंय. ठीक आहे. आणि तेवढंच वाका जेवढं तुम्हाला जमेल. ठीक आहे. सो स्टे देर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now to the other side. Let's do it again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Chalo. Let's do it one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we are done with the standing and even the sitting set of exercises. Now the next exercise is very simple. It's for your eyes. So what you have to do is, because you stare at the screen for a long time, so you should relax your eye muscles as well. So what you have to do is just rub your hands and keep the palm of your hand on your eyes, okay, and rest there for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Next, what you can do is, after every 2 hours, try to look at a distant object, then to a near object. Again, look at a distant object, then to a near object. This will relax your eyesight, okay? So, this will relax your eye muscles. This will not hamper your eyesight, okay? I guess we are done with all exercises, and these are very basic exercises. I hope you understood all my exercises. If you have any doubt, kindly comment so that we can solve your queries. I'll try to solve as many as possible. Okay. Okay. So, if you have any doubts, don't worry, comment down. I'll answer it after the live session. So here we are done with the live session. Thank you all for joining us. Let's see if more comments are coming. Okay. Thank you all for joining us. In case you want to watch some more FB live session, like such FB live session, you can like our FB page, Nightingale's FB page, so that you will be notified. So stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Hope you good health in this hard times. So bye bye. Take care.